turning on to 12th Street right here. And this is, I mean, we're in Huntsville, just minutes from Interstate 45 between Houston and Dallas. This is one of my most requested videos. As you can see, there's single-family dwelling units here, sorority and frat houses around. And you'll see why they call it the Walls Unit. Just a minute here. Capacity, 1,705 inmates. And I learned this from my last video. You will see what they call trustees walking around in their outfits. So that's it right here, up here on the left. There's some more dwelling units and apartments. So we're at 12th Street and Avenue G. You can see one of the guard towers there. Got a guard in there. May not do it justice, but these walls, I mean, they got to be at least 30 feet. Barbed wire on the top as well. Here's the front. It's over 170 years old. Another guard tower there. Close to downtown. I mean, look right here to the right, just gas station there, and go take a left and I'll show you how close the campus is. There. And another guard tower. And one every corner. That's campus right up, just straight ahead there. Where they had the electric chair. I seem to get a lot of comments on this on these videos in particular. Folks sharing their stories and thoughts. This is where I saw the group of trustees walking last time. And then literally 400 miles to the right, 400 meters, yards to the right, you've got Sam Houston State Bearcats. And look at those blue bonnets there. It is illegal to pick those, if you did not know. Here's a side view. It looks like they got some, well, thought that was remodeling. It's not. Texas Prison Rodeo. It's the oldest prison in the state, folks. Home to the Old Sparky. I believe that's what it's called. Oh. Director's office. Restricted area. I wonder if that's what guards' houses or something. We'll just go straight here towards this Family Dollar, and I'll show you how close this is to the We're in Huntsville here. Looking for a road name. Don't see one, but show you civilization. As we turn onto this road here, just feet from the Walls Unit prison. Get up into downtown. You'll see some trustees out here mowing lawns and doing landscaping and that kind of stuff. Mr. Hamburger, I heard that was a popular place. See you next time.